As much as people say video games are a waste of time, many people see it as a hobby, a pastime, like I do. I love video games, and personally, it's probably one of my favorite things to do. Right now, back in the day, in the middle of my life, it was my childhood and it's my adulthood now, and always will be. Hi, I'm Danny Cruz. I love video games. I remember playing video games probably when I was around 6 years old. And Christmas, I got my first PlayStation 2. And as you can see, my very first game was Ratchet and Clank. One of my favorite games all time. Love it. First game ever. Great. And I think without this game, I'd be a completely different person. I was raised around people who love video games. My dad played video games. My mom played video games. All my siblings now play video games. And so I feel like it was a crucial part of my childhood, and my family wouldn't be the same. That's how big an effect video games have on us as a family. Um, I think that I've become an advocate for video games as time has gone on. The more and more I played, the more and more I cared about it, and the more I got involved in sort of discussions and debates that like based on video games. Um, Typically with video games, there's a negative connotation with them, and personally, I don't see it just because I play it so much and I enjoy it. The whole aspect of competition, meeting new people, winning, losing, the camaraderie, it's a big part of it, not just, the shooting and all the negative violence that you see in it. And I feel like that alone isn't fair enough to judge video games off of. And I think that people misjudge video games by doing that. And so that kind of has driven me more to be more attached to video games as a person and as, as a student, as a athletic person. Like as much as people say, oh, video games are make you lazy and all that stuff, I completely disagree with that. That's completely on the person. And I've found a way to balance it between school, work, and everything else. So I don't see it as a negative on my life. I see it as only a positive. And so like we throughout my family, like all my younger siblings, I'm the oldest. I push them to play video games just because I only see it as a tool. It helps develop their critical learning devices like listening, understanding, comprehension, hand-eye coordination, multitasking. All these things play a part into video games, and I think that played a crucial part of my childhood and kind of like put me ahead of other people just because it helped me and it was fun and enjoyable. For example, like ABC Mouse, we've all seen commercials of it. ABC Mouse does a great job of involving learning and video games all at once, and I love to see that. And as like a gamer, I love it. It makes me happy to see that other people are enjoying it as well. And I only push others to try and get involved into video games and not to just see it from the outside. I want people to get involved, whether it's iPhone games, Android games, Xbox, PlayStation, PC, I don't care what it is. I love it, and I hope more people join the community and enjoy themselves as they get more into video games. Thank you.